Good morning, students. I am very much disappointed that you are not sending your attendance regularly, and it shows that you are being reluctant from your studies. Take care of this because studies will help you only, nothing. Because it is the most important part. Because if you don't spend your time in studies, how will you move ahead? Fine. So take interest in the videos whatever we are studying. Okay. Now, yesterday I introduced you to the lesson Golu grows a nose. As I told you, Golu was a baby elephant who had a bulgy, means moti, thick. It was a thick and bulgy nose. It did not have a long trunk as it has now. He was very inquisitive, very curious to know more about the things, know more about the animals, and therefore he goes to Limpopo River. Limpopo is the name of the river. It is the name of a river. Okay? Then he wanted to know more about a crocodile's eating habits. Just imagine, he wanted to know more about crocodile's eating habits. Long, long ago, the elephant had no trunk. He had only a bulgy nose as big as a boot. He could wiggle it from side to side, but couldn't pick up things with it. Okay? बहुत पहले की बात है. Elephant did not have trunks. He had a bulgy nose, means मोटी, बूट की साइज की नोज थी. He could wiggle it from side to side. Wiggle means moving side to side, that way. जैसे एलिफेंट अपने ईयर को करता है ना, that way he wiggled it, but could not pick the things from it. इसकी हेल्प से कुछ चीज़ उठा नहीं सकता था. You must have noticed that elephant when come to our market or in our colonies, when we give him something to eat, it picks up the thing and keep the thing into his mouth if it is eatable item. अगर हम उसको एप्पल या बनाना कुछ देते हैं, कुछ भी खाने का देते हैं, तो वो सीधा अपने मुंह में डाल देता है. He is very intelligent. Okay? But that time he could not pick up the things with the help of its trunk. Actually it was not trunk, it was a bulgy nose. There was a baby elephant called Golu. अब ये गोलू की बात हो रही है, बेबी एलिफेंट की. He too had no trunk, only a bulgy nose, as small as a small boot. Our Golu also had a bulgy nose. It was as small as a boot. Golu was full of questions. He asked his tall aunt, the ostrich. Now, his inquisitiveness, his curiosity takes him to the ostrich, his tall aunt. उसकी tall aunt ostrich के पास गया. Then ostrich, do you know the bird? Ostrich is a bird which cannot fly. Tall bird होती है. He asked his tall aunt, the ostrich, why don't you ever fly like other birds? अब उसने ostrich को पूछा, why don't you fly like other birds? Then he asked his tall uncle, the giraffe. Then he went to his tall uncle, the giraffe. You must be knowing that giraffe has a tall height. It is a tall animal, long neck. Don't you know? This Giraffe has spots on his body. He has a long neck and a tall body. So he went to his tall uncle, the giraffe, and asked him, "What makes your skin so spotty?" You can notice the spotty figure of this giraffe. So he asked him that why is your skin so spotty? He asked his huge uncle, the hippopotamus, why are your eyes always so red? अब वो स्ट्रेट गया किसके पास? अपने अंकल हिप्पोपोटेमस के पास. ह्यूज बिग अंकल हिप्पोपोटेमस. When he reached to the hippopotamus, his huge uncle, he asked him why his eyes were so red always. Okay? कि तुम्हारी आंखें हमेशा लाल क्यों रहती? Then he went to ask his hairy uncle, the baboon. Baboon is a kind of a variety of monkey. So he asked him, why do melons taste like melons? अरे अब तो वो भी घबरा गए. उसको पूछ रहा है किसको? बेबून को. क्या क्वेश्चन? सिली क्वेश्चन. It was a silly question. Why do the melons taste like melons? कि melons का टेस्ट मेलन जैसा क्यों होता है? The ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus and the baboon had no answers to Golu's questions. क्या आंसर देते? So all these animals like the ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus, the baboon, they had no answers to the questions of Golu. Golu is a naughty baby, they said. उन्होंने भी छोड़ दिया. Golu is a naughty baby. What did they say? That Golu was a naughty baby. He asked such difficult questions and even they found it very difficult to answer his questions. Just imagine, they were so aged, means they were quite elder than baby Golu, but still they had no answers to his questions. So they said that Golu asked difficult questions to them. Okay. One day, Golu met the Mina bird sitting in the middle of a bush, and he asked her, "What does the crocodile have for dinner?" The Mina said, "Go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo river and find it out." Mina is a bird, okay? So now one day Golu met the Mina bird sitting in the middle of a bush and he asked her, जो बुश में बैठी थी, झाड़ियों में बैठी थी मीना बर्ड, उससे पूछा, "What does the crocodile have for dinner?" अब उसको पूछ रहा है, बर्ड को पूछ रहा है कि क्रोकोडाइल अपने डिनर में क्या खाता है. Then Mina said, "Go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo river and find it out yourself." Okay? उसने क्या कहा कि जाओ, तुम खुद जाओ, ग्रेट ग्रासी लिम्पोपो रिवर पर जाओ और खुद पता लगाओ. Golu went home. He looked up 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons. Then he said to his family, "Goodbye. I am going to the great grassy Limpopo river. I will find out what the crocodile has for dinner." He had never seen a crocodile and didn't know what one looked like. Actually, they were living in the forest area, and as I told you yesterday that crocodile and alligator like animals live in the marshy land or the regions near the rivers. Okay? So now he became very curious. When he went home, when he reached home, he took 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas. कितने? 50 sugar canes. 50 dozens bananas. Okay. He took 100 sugar canes. 100 sugar cane लिए, 50 dozen bananas लिए, 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons. He took all these things along with him and then he said to his family, he bid goodbye to his family. उनको goodbye किया और कहा that he was going to the great grassy Limpopo river and he wanted to find out what the crocodile had for dinner. Okay? Because he had never seen any crocodile and did not know what one looked like. Actually, he had never seen any crocodile ever before and he wanted to know more about it. And for the traveling, he took all these things. क्या क्या लिया उसने? Just recall. 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons. He had never seen a crocodile and actually he did not know what a crocodile looked like. He met a python and asked him, "Have you ever seen a crocodile? What does it look like? What does he have for dinner?" Then he met a python and asked him. पाइथन को पूछा, पाइथन का मतलब आप सब जानते हैं. हैव यू एवर सीन क्रोकोडाइल? उसको पूछा कि तुमने क्रोकोडाइल देखा है क्या? कैसा दिखता है? क्या वो अपने डिनर में खाता है? इजंट इट? किसको पूछा? पाइथन को. दैट इफ ही न्यू व्हाट डिड अ क्रोकोडाइल ईट फॉर हिज डिनर. The python uncoiled himself from the branch of a tree but said nothing. He was sitting, he coiled himself on the branch of a tree but did not say anything. He uncoiled himself to talk to Golu. Golu politely helped him to coil around the branch again and said goodbye to him. लेकिन when he did not reply, गोलू पोलाइटली हेल्प हिम टू कॉइल ऑन द ब्रांच अगेन. फिर से उसको ब्रांच पर कॉइल कर दिया, उसको लपेट दिया एंड बिड गुड बाय टू हिम. उसको भी गुड बाय कह के रवाना हो गया. सो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग. दिस स्टोरी इज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग.